English by Jammy.
Hello, everyone. My name is Meena. It's nice to meet you. Today, I want to talk about my hobbies and interests, the things I like, and the things I don't like. Let's begin with my likes. I have many hobbies that make me happy and help me relax. First, I really like to read. I read all kinds of books, but my favorites are fantasy and science fiction. I can spend hours reading and forget about time. It's a great way to learn new things and escape into different worlds. I also like to listen to music. I have a lot of music on my phone, and I listen to it every day. I enjoy many types of music, like pop, classical, and jazz. Music helps me feel calm when I am stressed and gives me energy when I am tired. Another thing I like is cooking. I am not a professional, but I enjoy making simple meals for myself and my family. My favorite dish to cook is pizza. It's fun to try new recipes and taste different foods from around the world. Next, I want to talk about things I don't like. We all have things we dislike, and that's okay. One thing I don't like is waiting. I am not a very patient person, so waiting in a long line at the bank or the supermarket is difficult for me. I try to be patient, but it's hard. I also don't like very cold weather. I prefer it when the sun is out and the weather is warm. I like to go outside and feel the sunshine on my face. When it's cold, I have to wear a big coat and gloves, and I don't like that. Finally, I don't like scary movies. I know many people enjoy them, but they make me feel nervous. I prefer to watch comedies or animated movies because they're fun and make me laugh. So, as you can see, I have things that make me happy, like reading, music, and cooking. And I have things that are not my favorite, like waiting, cold weather, and scary movies. What about you? What are some things you like and don't like? Please tell me. Thank you for listening to my story. Have a great day.